Welcome again to my tutorial video. Today I want to show you guys how to set up your UTrading bots with DCA Pro strategy with $100 capitals. Then I'll also give you the coin to trade. Then I'll also give you the risk management you can use for this particular bot. Everything will be shared with you in this video. Try to watch this video to the end. The coin to pick, how to set it up, everything you are going to learn it with this particular video you are about to watch. Make sure you register with my recommended link down below this video and try to purchase your UGAS to set everything up. Once you do that, your account will be fully activated so that the bot can easily see try to start trading for you once you start trading. So make sure you watch this video to the end and try to like and share this video to people. It's very simple and amazing. So let's just go into the video right now. So now, after you have already connected your account, I've already made a video how to connect your account together by going to your API and everything. Okay, so make sure you connect. I've already connected my own with Bybit. You can connect with Binance, OKS, BigGet, and everything is here. All right, so I've already connected my own with what? With Bybit. You can use Bybit. You can use Mexi. I think Mexi. Okay, you can also use Mexi for spots. Everything is here. So now let me just try to show you. I've already made a video for that. Just go and watch that video, how to connect everything. The video is down below this video. Go and watch it. So now let's go back to the presentation right now. So if you want to just come to market first, when you come to market, all right, this is the market. But the coin we want to choose for this $100 strategy, we are going to use either SRP or Doggy, but I will use SRP for this video for you guys to learn the strategy for spot. This one is not future market, it's spots. If you have an $100, if you want to start today, you can start after connecting your account together. So let me just choose SRP is a coin that is you can also use for spots. Then now if you want to start your trading, you can come to something like this, trade here. You can see where I mic on. All right, come to trade. Then the bots we are going to use for this strategy is called AIDCA Pro for spot. So this one, AIDCA, because it will allow you to set up your trigger price. When the trigger price come, the bot will trigger your something, the price for you and start trading for you automated. All right, you can. So now let me just pick this one. So I've already picked it. Then we are going to say only one coin for this strat, only one, because your capital is very low, only one coin. All right, so when you just select this SRP as an example, SRP, then you now click on this confirm. So now, but we have this one, we have AIDC. This one is automated, while this one is manual. To set everything yourself. Yes, to set up everything yourself. All right, but let me just, I'm going to make video for this this one as well, for automated as well. I'll also make that video for you guys. So now let me just select this one, DCA. Yes, this one, DCA. I've already selected it. Now then we are going to use this change this particular 15 minutes to 1 hour to 1 hour. Yeah, that's strategy. Yes, then we are going to change this particular immediately to what? To price trigger. To price trigger. Right, you can see this is the current price of SRP. All right, current price. You can also check trading view. Let me go to trading view. If you don't have accounts, you can go to your exchange and check the current price. Then we are going to do some little max. We are going to subtract the price, the current price, by -2% drop before the bot will start trading for us. -2% drop before the bot will start trading for us. Let me show you on trading. You can see the price here on, we can see the price here on trading view. The current price is 1.08115. all right, one here you can see. So we are going to minus this particular current price by -2% as a beginner. If you don't know how to trade, you can see this is the current, this is recent high on 1 hour, and this is the recent low on 1 hour. If I want to buy as a trader, I will just buy around this zone. All right, because I will buy around this zone. Now let's go and subtract. Let me just go to UTrading again. Okay, so now this is the current price. I'm going to minus it by 2%. Let me just go to my calculator. 1.0823. Let me just show you. You can see this is the price. All right, 1.0823. I've already come to my calculator. I will now say minus 2%. All right, minus 2%. So this is the price I'm going to put on that, because we want to buy low to sell higher. You buy low, you buy at lower price, then you sell at higher price. So that's how you are going to be trading your spot trading. So now I'm going to go to this area and put in something like this. I'll just put 1.6 something. Is it not okay? 0.80 no 6. Wait, so let me just go and check it for what. Okay, 60. Okay, 60654. All right, we are going to enter the price here, 60654. You can see that's the price we want to buy. We are not buying at this particular price so that we can make profit when the price goes up. We are buying deep. We are buying deep to make profit. So you can see the price here. We have 0.60654. That's the price minus 2% drop. Okay, 0.823 minus 2. Can you see? So I've already inserted the price. So when the market comes to this price, the bot will trigger for me as with my $100 cap as a beginner. All right, I'll click on save. So now when we come to, then your max order should be 3 here. Your max order to be 3. Put something like 3 here. You can put, sorry, this area, change it to 3. All right, then you can select this one as a medium within, take profits within. So here, just make sure to leave it like this, as expected to take profit within 7 days. So just leave it. Then we click on this. I think we are okay. So now let's go to size multiple. Here, size multiple after the price drop. Size multiple. Okay, this one is 3. Okay, make sure this one is 3. Don't forget. Then the size multiple is this is 1.5%. 1 after the first order. Oh, sorry, yes. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then we have the price gap after the first order. We call it 5%. The second one as well, 5%. So we are buying deep as the market is doing what? Dropping. So you can see that. Don't forget, you can watch the video like 3 to 4 times for you to understand this particular strategy. Then here on this area, make sure your capital is okay, like $5 0 point. It's okay, like your capital to start is just like $5. Leave it like this because your capital is very, very small. You are starting with just $5. So then you can leave it as single, or you can 7 days, it depends on you, or single to just take your single means once the both trade for you, and once they both pick your trade, it will take the profit for you and leave the trade. But if you want to be trading for like 7 days, you can leave it as 7 days like this if you want to. All right, then you can select something like this, customize price. Then you can see $5 trigger price. So but don't just, so that you not complicate yourself with this. Let me just so let me just leave it. Let's say single as a cap. If you have any question on this, you can just get back to me on Telegram so I can guide you through on this. Leave it on single for this tutorial. Then if you want to take your profits, you can make it like either, since you can put it at 5 or 3. Let me just for you to let me just make it like 3. It's okay, 3. Then save it. then the total loss allow. All right, you can set this one, you can just leave it like this, since we are in, we are trading on spot. So just leave this one like this, because as the market is dropping, the bull will keep buying for you. So after you buy the 3 order, it will stop. Then you now have to wait. You have to wait for the market to make. But if you like, you can set it like, let's say even 10%, or yeah, if you like, so like this, so that your account will be safe. This one is risk management. We put everything here, so in case, but we have already set up a so that's how it works. So then after you set up all this finish, your minimum order, first order is what? Is $5. Leave it like this. Then we have already set up the price to trigger at this price. Then this is our maximum order 3. Then this is our size multiple 1.5, and this is our price gap mean after the first order. When the market drop by 5% again, it will buy another $5. After the second order, when the market drop by 5% again, it will drop. So so that you are going to make profits, as the market goes up. You can even set your you can even set up your take profits as 3 or 4 to 5, depend. You can see. So you can see, you can do running. Okay, this one is a take profit is called, we can put something like 5 or 3. You can leave it. So you can just do it. All this one, take profit trigger as soon as any cycle is made, 3%. So then all this one, you can just leave it like this. Stop loss for, I think I've already set this one. I've already set it 10. So I've already set all this one already. So just make sure to watch the video like 3 to 4 times. We are going to get it. So we are not buying at the current price. We are buying at a lower price. So for your $100, $5 first order. Do you understand me? So that's how it works. 3 order is okay for. Okay, so here, so you can put total. This one is total profit. Sorry, you can put it at what? At 8%. Okay, here I forgot this one. Then so you are buying dip of 5%, but but here after take profit percentage, so it's 5. So just put it like this. So you can set the one you like. Any here we have already set the total allowed losses. So then but because this one is spot, it's not a future trading. Spot trading is more safer than future. So just make sure to watch the video like 3 to 4 times. So you are going to get everything I say. So after you have already set up everything like this, you are good to go. Then you come to your launch here to launch it. 1 coin, don't for 1 coin per setup, 1 coin per setup, 1 coin. Then you watch the video like, make sure here is $5. Then make sure you minus the current price here. Then make sure you set up this one 3, like this one, sorry, 3, maximum 3. So make sure you just try to check everything. All right, then you are good to go. That's all. You can just leave this one as leave this one like this. You can just read it. The bot will only add additional position when the scalable multiple coverage so trigger. So that's all. So here I forgot to tell you something here. So on this area you can, when they write something like UTR or whatever, okay, on this area you can just leave it like this. I've already set it. You can put it on none, then you click on save. So I've already had everything when the bots come to that area. So just leave it, this one. Okay, none. The bot will add position only when the price gap is reached or a better price is available without require extra cover condition. So leave it at none like this. It's okay. So try to watch the video over and over. You are going to watch, you are going to get. So make sure you can see this is the setup. Price gap, everything here is correct. All right. So try to watch this video over and over and over. You are going to get it. You can see I've already set up everything here. You can see. So let me click on launch, like launch right now. Launch. All right, the bot has already been launched. So the bot will keep waiting for the price to come. Simple as ABC. Try to like this video, share it to people. I'm going to show you the results of these bots in my next coming video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.